Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. So this website is about a business management company registration website and also for managing what crypto assets. So this is the home page of the website and each and everything on this website is managed from the admin end. So I will take you through how the website works from the business registration, how admin carry out actions on the business registration, also how the crypto assets actually works. So you see this part that says get your free LLC and EIN. Users can come and search for businesses here. So if I put the business name now and I check for name availability, you can see it says what must have very limited has been what taken. So let's just add a random text to it and see. Now you see that this name was looks good. Okay. So if they want to create an account, they can come here to create an account to register their account here, or they can also sign in. But I want to go through the business registration first of all. So I can come here to click on get consultation or schedule consultation, any one of them. So let's just click on schedule consultation. Now you see this consultation fee here, $400 can be set from the admin side. All right, so let me show you that now from the admin. This is the admin login. This is the admin login. So I'll log into the admin side now. Okay, still logging in. All right, and this is the admin dashboard. Okay, this is the admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard, when you go to the general settings, you scroll down in general settings, you see this part that say what consultation what fee. All right, so that's where you set the consultation fee. So let's go down again. Now I want to register a business. I'll just search for business. Let's say Travel Limited. Now I'll check for name availability. It says what the name is what likely available, use this name. So I'll use this name for the registration. Now I'm choosing the type of LLC registration method. Let's just put it as standard. I put a name here. I put an email address, put a phone number, I put a password, put a password. Then I put I select this, I select this, also select this. So this is just a tutorial. So I just put random details. So I'll select this now, and this I'll select this and they'll submit. Okay, now I say submitting, please hold while we process your request. So you're almost there now. What I'll do now is to go check my email for verification. All right, so I'll just close this. So let's go and check the email now for what verification. Okay, so I verified the email. What I just need to do now is to log in. I'll go to login. I'll put in the email address that I use, email address. Then I'll put in the password. I'll click on sign in. So when I sign in now, it takes me to the LLC dashboard. You can see now, this is the company registration word dashboard, the business word dashboard. So right here, I'm seeing one total LLCs, zero approved, one pending, zero rejected. Now when I scroll down here, I'm seeing my LLC application. So why the $400? There's a breakdown, and then I can come here to what make payments. All right. So by the time I've made payments and it has been approved, this way I'll see my documents. All right. So I can also from here to register another company. You can see that there. You can also come here now. So let me make payments now. So make payments. So you can see the payments now. I'm using TROX for payments. Admin can also change the payments here. Look at it here. So admin can also choose the particular coin for payments. All right, so let's make payments now. Let's say I've made payments. Now go back to what dashboard. All right, so what admin will go to company registration, and then if admin has actually confirmed the payment, admin will click on what confirm receipts. By the time admin click on confirm receipt, you can see what payment confirmed. Then the user we have to reload. Then when the user reload, the user will see that it has paid for. Look at it here, paid. All right. So admin now can actually manage the status of this registration. Let's say, for example, processing now. Admin choose processing. When the user comes back to reload, you see the word processing. And when admin puts it on approved, when admin puts it on approved, so I reload again on the user side. Now you can see approved. Then you now have your receipt. So you click on receipt now. See how the receipt looks like, all right? Is how the receipt is now. Okay, so that's it for the company business what management. So you can click on LLC management to see your entire management here. So down to manage crypto assets. So this is the part where they manage your assets. Right now, my balance is hitting 0 0. What I'll just need to do is go and what fund this account. So let's say, for example, you want to deposit, just click on receive, click on any of the crypto you want to receive. Let's just say BTC. You can copy the address here, copy the address. Then admin we actually what fund this receive account. So let's go to the admin now, go to the admin dashboard, and then I'll go to the users. Then you see this first button here. You see this first button here. This is where you fund the balance for the user. So when I come in now, I can fund BTC of 0.9000. I add it to it. So you can see now it has been funded. Now let's fund this USDT TRC. This USDT TRC. Okay. So let's fund USDT TRC. Let's say 500 USDT. And then I also add it to it. And next now let's say let me fund the Ethereum, let's say for Ethereum dot 0 0. Okay, so when I go back again to the user side, I go to the place. Now you can see now that the account has been what funded. The dollar equivalent, USD equivalent is also showing that of ETH2. So this is the total asset here, and this is the BTC reading of the total what assets. All right, so let's do a swap coin now. Let's do a swap. Can click here to swap. Now I want to swap from BTC to let's say TRX, and I'm swapping 0.0007 BTC. All right, so now I will what swap. I say what swap what disable, please contact what support. So this user swapping has not been enabled. To enable it, I'll go to the admin, I'll go to users, and then you see this icon here, this person icon. Click on it. You come here, you say what enable what swap. You enable swap, you see what changes. All right. So that's it for the swapping. Now let's go to the user side again. I will confirm swap again and see what swap completed what successfully. Okay, so when I go to trending now, dashboard, okay, let's still loading. If I check now, you can see that there's a TRS here. And when I click on TRS, you see the transaction there. You can see it now, you see the transaction there. I can also click on BTC. I'll still see the transaction here. All right. So now let's do is send transaction. So I'll be sending out BTC. So I'll click on BTC here. I'll click on send. So I can send to another person on this platform, and I can send to a wallet address. So I will send to a wallet address now. Send to wallet address. Now it's asking for what? KYC. All right. So you can also disable the KYC and enable KYC here. Look at it now. Require KYC. Now KYC is what's required. So let me do the KYC so you see how it looks like. So now I'll upload documents. I'll just upload the random documents. Just upload the random documents. Upload the random documents. Then I'll click on what submit for what verification. As you can see what successful, then end what verification. So let's go back to the admin side again. You go to KYC verification. In KYC verification, you can approve this KYC here. So let's approve it. See what approve. Let's approve it now. Here you can view the document they submitted. So then when I come back here, I see that it has what be verified. So I'll go to sending again. Let's go to send. I want to send out BTC. Now I'll put in a random address. So you see something now. So let's send 5% of the amount I have. Then let's preview. So I'll confirm send. And see your crypto send is currently what disabled. All right. So I'll still need to go to the users to go and enable the crypto sending. Okay. So I'll click on manage profile here, enable crypto sending. I'll click save changes. Save changes. So I'll come down here again. I'll go back to the user side. I'll reload this. So now let's do a proper send. Let's do a proper send. So let's put this address. Let's say this amount. This amount. I'll click on preview transfer. Then I'll confirm send. Okay. Now it's saying what gas fee was required. All right. So users are required to pay gas fee before they can what send out. You can also turn off the gas fee here. Look at it here. Require gas fee. And you can turn it off here. All right. So let me turn off the gas fee now, and save changes. Save changes. So it has been saved. Now I'll go back again. I will do the sending again. Do the sending again. Confirm send. Now you can see what transaction was pending. Transaction was pending. So let's go to the admin now. Admin will go to transactions. Look at it here. Transactions. I mean, we see the various transaction that was done. You can see this was the swap transaction we did. Now this is the withdraw transaction. Now admin can actually what approve the transaction. So by the time I come here and reload, you can see what transaction was successful. So then I'll click on done. All right. So the next part here is the part of the card. Users can actually create a visual card. They can see the details of their card. They can fund their card with crypto. So let's say I want to fund my card with BTC now. I will put an account an amount of let's say 1,000. All right. Then I come here, I confirm card funding. See that right now, card what balance has changed. When I go back to the card view, you can see the balance is reading 1,000. I can actually freeze the card. Can freeze the card. Can also what delete the card. All right. So that's the card what transaction here. So let's go to back to trending now. Now the staking. So let me show you how the staking works. So I can actually stake on any of these crypto. So let me stake on BTC now. I'll stake with 0. Let's say 0.05. Then I'll confirm stake. As a stake was successfully. All right. So this stake will be done for we started this day and we unlock tomorrow. So it's just a 1 day stake. This is where you manage your stake. Go to staking config in admin. Go to staking config in admin. Okay, so this is where we actually what you can say manage staking plans now. Manage the staking plans. You can see that now. So you can see. So this is where you change the number of days. You can see that now, number of days, right? So let's go back now. Yeah, in the staking, you can actually manipulate it. So you can see you can change the percentage. Let's say more of let's say 50%. Reward end, you can put a reward there. Let's say 0.5. So it's not be added to the one they calculated, and then you can what you save. All right. So you can also change the status of the staking too. So let's go back now. So you can see that now the word is showing 50% is showing. By tomorrow, this staking will log, then you see the total balance. But before that, let me see if I can manipulate it so that you can see how the staking works. So now I just manipulated the staking from the database, and now I can what? It assumed that the day the staking has expired. So you can see now that I can actually what on stake, all right? So if you check the reward now, the money gotten from the staking calculation has been added to the reward that has been added. So you can see now, so I can stake, see that now. So that's how what the staking works. All right. So then again, they can go. Users can go to settings to actually manage their crypto. You can disable their crypto. You can disable their crypto, and anyone disabled will not show in the front end. You can check the address here. All right. You can check notifications, and you can see the notifications. You can view their KYC status here. All right. So they can also actually still go to their security setting to change password, change passcode, and as well check for referral statistics. All right. So that's it. So they can also go to buy crypto. So you can see now buy crypto. Let's say they want to buy Bitcoin and click on Bit, continue here, put the amount you want to buy, choose the channel which they want to use to buy, then it is what's confirmed. All right. So basically this is how the entire system actually works, and it is what mobile responsive. So you can see what mobile responsive, very what mobile responsive. So let me show you how if you want to set up this kind of website, let me show you how you will set it up for anybody. All right. So if you want to set it up, all you have to do is go to your cPanel. You will get your cPanel details when you what purchase an hosting. You go to file manager, go to file manager, then you go to the public underscore HTML or the domain name or the particular folder which you want to upload it to. Then you click on upload, you upload the zip file. By the time you finish uploading the zip file, you will by the time you finish uploading the zip file, come to this place here, settings, tick this place, this thing here, show edit files. Then you extract before you what extract it. By the time you have extracted it, you will move it out from the folder which it is and into the folder which you want it to be. There you come to this env here, this env, you edit the env file, you edit the env file, you put in your site link, site url, put in your site name, you put in your database details here, come down here to fix your smtp details, then that's it. Then go to your database, import your database, import your database. Then when you log into the admin details will be on the installation guide. When you log into the admin, go to general settings, go to general settings for your website settings, go to your mail settings for setting up mail, then go to wallet settings for setting up wallet addresses. Okay, then you can send mail to each user, can send mail to what to each users. All right. So that's how it actually works. So let me see. There's something I didn't talk about in the user side. Okay. So you can actually um, edit user addresses here. You can still set up crypto fees for each crypto when they are sending out. You can edit it here. You can edit swap fee too. Can it here? Swap fee. You can edit it. Here you can check the user card. Yeah? You can freeze the card. You can deactivate the card. You can change. You can delete the card. You can subtract funds from the card. You can add funds to the card, and you can also what see the card what transactions. That's it. So yeah, you can actually what um, manage the user what details. All right. Okay. So that's it. That's how it actually works. All right. So if you need this file, all you have to do is contact me to my contact details, which on this video description. and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.